Hello and welcome to Techie Guys channel, and I Praveen Sharma. This channel is created in interest of techies to provide ample information on various platforms and technologies. We'll be uploading tons of videos on installation, configuration and setup of various OS flavors and softwares. So before we start today's video, I request you to subscribe our channel to keep you posted with latest upload notifications, and last but not least, please like, comment and share our channel. Today we'll be learning to install and configure Guacamole Server on Ubuntu OS. To start with the process, we require below softwares and ISO image. Software and server hardware requirements are as follows: one Ubuntu ISO latest version with 8 GB RAM, 200 GB storage or hard disk, 8 GB pen drive and a Rufus software. We'll be installing the Ubuntu OS on a bare metal, and to perform the task we need to have a bootable pen drive. First we'll be making the pen drive bootable by following the below steps. Download the Ubuntu ISO in your local machine. Download and install Rufus software in your local machine. Plug in the bare pen drive. Double click on Rufus software and select the Ubuntu ISO image which is downloaded in your local machine. Enable the partition scheme and target system type to MBR partition for UEFI and start the process to make the pen drive bootable. Now we'll be using the bootable pen drive to install the Ubuntu OS. After powering on the server, we need to perform a couple of BIOS changes before starting the OS installation. Press the appropriate function key based on the server model and select the system settings and info option. Choose BIOS settings, enable UEFI option, save and exit from the BIOS settings, plug in the pen drive and restart the server. Press enter key to start the installation process.
This part of video will guide you with the installation of Ubuntu OS. Ubuntu OS installation process will start, and during the installation you have time to sit back, relax and wait for the installation to get completed. So let's start the installation. Click on Install Ubuntu. Select the language in the keyboard layout. Click on Continue. Let it be default. We'll choose the option for normal installation and download the updates while installing the Ubuntu. Click on Continue. Choose the first option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click on Install Now. If you continue, the changes listed below will return on the disk, otherwise you will be able to make further changes manually. Click on Continue. Select the region. Let's create the user for this. Guacamole, password. Click on Continue. Installation has been started and this will take several minutes. Installation of Ubuntu is now complete and your server is ready to be configured for Guacamole services. Let us go ahead and restart this. Here we go. Along with the installation of Guacamole Server, I'd like to share a couple of information on Guacamole and its services. Well, Apache Guacamole is a clientless remote desktop gateway. Its compatibility with standard protocols like VNC, RDP and SSH is an added advantage. And it is termed as clientless because plugins or client software are not required. So let us log into the Ubuntu server now. Click on skip, next, do not send system info, next. Click on next, click on done. So guys, first you will be assisted with the steps on Guacamole installation. So right click and click on open in terminal. We'll go one step back and log in as root user, sudo space su, the password. Now we have logged in as a root user, so let us start. This command will enable the uncomplicated firewall along with the ports engaged for communication. So hit on enter. So our first command is executed successfully. So guys, this command will install the listed dependencies which are a must for Guacamole server to be configured on Ubuntu machine. So guys, let me run this command once again in a bigger screen so you will have a better idea. So guys, you have to just hit enter. This will take a couple of minutes to get installed. So guys, packages are installed. Now let us install Java, Tomcat and Maven using the commands in the sequence. Let me clear my screen. So let's type apt and get install openjdk -8 So make sure guys you install only JDK 8, not any other version apart from that. So our JDK is installed. Let me clear my screen. Let's check the version of Java. Sorry. So we have 1.8 JDK 8 installed. Let us run the second command apt get install tomcat 9. This will take a minute of time to get installed. Tomcat is installed. Let us install Maven now. apt and get install Maven. Yes. So guys, our Maven is also installed. Let us install the last command, that is apt get make. apt get install make. So make is also installed. Before we start the installing or configuring Guacamole, we will be downloading the required version of Guacamole. So let us open Firefox. Let's search for Guacamole, the required version. So let us download these three files. The first one is Apache Guacamole client 1.1.0. Let's save this file. Second one is Guacamole Server. The last Guacamole.war file. So great, download is complete. Let's go to the location where the files are downloaded. cd/home/guacamole/downloads. Let's list. We have all three files here. Post downloading, we need to extract the downloaded file using the command. Let's run the command, that is star space -x zf space Guacamole server. So extraction is done. Let's check. Yes, the file is extracted. Now let us extract the other one, that is client. So the files are being extracted. Now let us change the directory for installation of Guacamole server by executing the below command. Let's go to Guacamole server and type this command /configure space -with -init directory equals to /etc/initd. This command is used to validate the required components installed on Guacamole server. Let's execute this command. This step will take a couple of minutes. So our command is successful. You can see this, guys. We have free RDP to it is enabled. Yes, Pango is there. There are many other like VNC server, it supports. Yes, SSL, SSH, all these are enabled in your Ubuntu server. So now let's execute one more command to compile, that is make. This command will install the components that were built. So the compilation is done. So let me clear my screen. As we are ready with the Guacamole server, we need an application to perform intermediate role between the users and server to get connected to the web console, and for that we need Guacamole client, which is available with Java and JavaScript packages, which will build a web application for the users to create remote connectivity to the server. So we have already downloaded Guacamole client. Let me go one step back. list. Okay, let us go to the directory Guacamole client, yes. Okay, so now we are in the directory. Let us execute this command, that is mvn space ckag package. This command will build the Guacamole client. Hit enter. Guys, this step might take more than 10 to 15 minutes, so have patience. So guys, our build is successful now. Let us go one step back and create a directory in etc mkdir space slash etc slash Guacamole. Directory is created. Now let us create a file there, that is nano slash etc slash Guacamole. File name will be guaca guacamole dot properties. Let us edit this file with below configuration. So guys, here you are providing the host name and the port of Guacamole proxy and location to read the extra.jar files from this location and the authentication provider classes. Now let's save this file, that is Ctrl O, enter and Ctrl X. Now let us create one more file there using nano slash etc slash Guacamole slash user hyphen mapping dot xml file. So guys, here are few scripts. This will be your username and password for the Guacamole login page, and this is the RDP connection for the Windows machine. Here you have typed RDP, and this is the host. This is the IP address of the Windows machine, which will be taking a RDP from the Ubuntu VM. So let's save this file. Let me clear my screen. Let us create one more directory, mkdir slash user share tomcat9 slash dot Guacamole. So we have created a directory there. Now let us execute this command, ln space hyphen s slash etc slash Guacamole properties user share tomcat slash dot Guacamole. So let's copy the var file, that is, I think, yeah, we do have the var file. Let's copy this Guacamole var file to var/lib/tomcat9 web apps guacamole.var. File is copied successfully. Now let us restart the services. Service tomcat9 start. Restart. Let's check the status. So Tomcat is running. Let us go to the browser and log into the Guacamole web page. Let us log into the Guacamole localhost /Guacamole. Great. Let us log in with the username Guacamole, password. Sorry guys, I missed. There you go. We have logged into the Guacamole web page. Guys, we had created a user mapping.xml file. It was the last step of configuration of Guacamole server for the remote connection. We need to create an XML file containing a program which defines the authentication, connection type along with the protocol used for remote connectivity with IP addresses and the port number. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.